Millions of drivers don't know that they can improve their car's fuel efficiency and save money just by doing simple tricks. They are wasting hundreds, even thousands every year without even realizing it. All of that just because nobody told you this. Improving fuel efficiency doesn't require expensive mods. Things that secretly wasting your fuel are not your engine, not your gas brand, and it's definitely not because fuel prices are high. It's because of simple things you're doing to your car right now. Today, I'm going to show you 10 real tricks that can instantly improve your fuel efficiency, and some of them can boost your MPG by 10 to 30%. You need to concentrate because number 7 is something almost every driver does wrong. So let's fix that for you. Number 1, the biggest fuel killer nobody talks about. Before we talk about parts, let's talk about you first. Your driving style alone can change fuel economy by 15 to 30%. Aggressive acceleration, hard braking, racing to red lights, that's burning fuel for absolutely no reason. Here's what smart drivers do instead. Accelerate smoothly, maintain steady speeds, anticipate traffic coast instead of brake last minute. Driving aggressively doesn't get you there much faster, it just gets you there with less money. And wait until I show you how your tires are secretly draining fuel. That's coming up. Number 2, your tire pressure is probably wrong. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you checked your tire pressure? If you don't remember, that's the problem. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance. That means your engine works harder, which means more fuel burned. Even 5 to 10 psi low can noticeably reduce MPG. Here's what to do. The best option is to check your tire pressure once a month. Use the PSI on your door jamb, not the tire sidewall, and check when tires are cold. This is literally the easiest fuel saving trick on this list. And if you're watching TireSho, you already know that tires are everything. Number 3, the right tires matter more than you think. Not all tires are built the same. Some tires are designed for grip, off-road, performance, and others are designed for low rolling resistance. Low rolling resistance tires can improve fuel economy by 2 to 4%. That might not sound huge, but over years of driving, it's serious money. So if you're daily driving, you don't always need aggressive tread. Choose smart, not just aggressive looking. Number 4, carrying extra weight. Pop your trunk right now and be honest. How much junk is in there? You could have old tools, water cases, gym equipment, and all random stuff. Remember that every 100 pounds can reduce MPG by about 1% and roof racks. Even worse, they add weight and destroy aerodynamics. So if you're not using it, please remove it. Your car isn't a storage unit. Number 5, aerodynamics. This is the highway fuel thief. Here's something most drivers don't understand. At highway speeds, aerodynamics matters more than engine efficiency. Driving with windows down at 70 mm formation, that increases drag. Using roof boxes permanently, that's major fuel hit. At high speeds, air resistance becomes your biggest enemy. So you need to keep your windows up. Remove roof attachments when not needed. Avoid unnecessary exterior accessories because with just a simple changes, you have big difference. Number 6, basic maintenance equals better MPG.
This could be boring, but it matters. Here is the point.
If you have dirty air filter, you will get less airflow and the consequences are inefficient combustion, reduced power, poor fuel economy, and even engine damage. Old or worn spark plugs decrease fuel efficiency by causing incomplete combustion, which forces the engine to burn more fuel to maintain performance. Wrong oil viscosity. Using the wrong oil that is too thick increases internal engine friction, forcing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel. The best thing to do is to always use the oil recommended in your owner's manual. Modern engines are designed for specific oil thickness. So ignoring maintenance doesn't just damage your car, it damages your wallet every time you fuel up. Number 7, idling is quietly destroying your fuel. Here's something people always argue about. The biggest question everybody asks is, how long should I let my car warm up for? Modern cars don't need long warm-ups. If you're idling for 10 to 15 minutes every morning, you're literally burning fuel for nothing. If you're stopped for more than 30 to 60 seconds and it's safe. Shutting the engine off can save fuel, especially in city driving. Hybrids like the Toyota Prius are efficient partly because they reduce idle time. So if you reduce idling your car in morning before takeoff, at the traffic lights and at heavy traffic, you will save more fuel. Number 8, Bad wheel alignment equals hidden fuel drain if your car pulls to one side. If your steering wheel isn't straight, if your tires wear unevenly, your car might have bad alignment, and bad alignment increases rolling resistance, which increases fuel consumption. Alignment isn't just about tire wear, it's about efficiency. If you hit a pothole recently, don't ignore, you need to get alignment checked because just that one single pothole hit might cause more problems to your car. Number 9, the truth about fuel additives. Let's clear something up here. Most fuel additives, marketing. Unless your engine has carbon buildup issues, additives won't magically boost MPG. Better fuel economy comes from proper tire pressure, maintenance, and smart driving, but not miracle bottles. Please save your money. Finally, the real secret.
The truth is that there is no magic mod.
Fuel efficiency is about consistency, maintenance, and smart habits. So if you combine proper tire pressure, good alignment, smooth driving, correct tires, and removing weight from your car, you could realistically improve fuel economy by 10 to 20%. And that's a lot of money every year. If you like this video, please tell us your current mile per gallon. Drop it in the comments. Here is a beautiful question. Do you check your tire pressure monthly or only when the tire light comes on? If you learned something today, hit that like button and drive smart.